In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install GIMP on both Windows and Mac. Perfect for beginners. GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a powerful and flexible open-source tool that many people use for photo editing and graphic design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have GIMP installed and ready to go, so you can start exploring all the creative possibilities it offers. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to visit the official GIMP website, which is gimp.org. This is where you'll find the most up-to-date version of the software, as well as detailed information about its features and updates. Always download software from official sites when possible to ensure you're getting a safe and legitimate version. Once you're on the website, look for the download button. When you click it, you'll have the option to choose between Windows and Mac versions. Select the one that matches your operating system. This is a crucial step because the software behaves differently on these platforms, and you'll need the right version to ensure compatibility and functionality. After selecting your operating system, the download will begin. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the download is complete, you'll have an installer file saved on your computer. This file is the gateway to installing GIMP. Next, you'll want to open the installer. It's typically found in your Downloads folder or the location you specified for saving downloads. When you run this installer, you'll follow the setup prompts presented to you. If you're on a Windows machine, you might encounter User Account Control asking for permission to make changes to your system. It's safe to allow this. Throughout the setup process, you'll be guided step by step. Just read each prompt carefully and follow the instructions. You'll often be asked what components of the software you wish to install. For most users, proceeding with the recommended options is best, especially if you're a beginner and unsure about the more technical choices. Once the installation is complete, you'll find GIMP ready to launch. On Windows, it typically creates a shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. On a Mac, you might find it in your Applications folder. Go ahead and open GIMP to make sure everything went smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully installed GIMP on your computer. Now you're all set to explore GIMP's vast features to edit photos, create digital art, and more. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to experiment and practice with different tools within GIMP. Stay tuned for more tutorials, where we'll dive deeper into some of GIMP's most useful tools and features. Happy editing!